Armamentarium for the universal RIN beam alignment device will include a white plastic ring that has 3 colors, yellow, red, and blue. It will also include the indicator arm that has also 3 different colors, blue, yellow, red. For anterior PAs, if you're using the universal RIN, same thing, you're going to place the bite block on. Anterior PAs, sensor is held vertically. Then comes the prongs. The blue prongs is going to go inside of the bite block. Last step is attaching the plastic ring. So blue with blue. Sensor has to be smack down in the center of the plastic ring. Next, posterior PAs. If it's for the upper right, cord is coming out of your patient's mouth. Place the yellow bite block on. The indicator arm, we're going to then attach the yellow prong into the bite block. The indicator arm should follow or should be outside of the patient's mouth as well. Lastly, this yellow section of the plastic ring then attaches to the indicator arm. Final check, is the receptor smack down in the center of the plastic ring? The way that this is assembled for the upper right is going to be the same way for the lower left. As we move up to the maxillary arch, upper left, we will need to change the orientation of the bite block because the cord needs to be sticking out of the patient's mouth. Switch the orientation of the bite block. And then also the yellow prong has to be on the left side of the bite block. Then we're going to flip this because right now the sensor is not smacked in the center of the plastic ring. I'm going to flip this the other way. This will be the correct orientation and assembly of the RIN for the upper left posterior PAs, including the lower right posterior PAs. Bite wings. Cord is sticking out of your patient's mouth. The red bite block goes on in the center in a horizontal direction. It also follows or aligns with the cord. The indicator arm, the red prongs then go into the bite block. Last step. Red with the red prongs with the red bite block. So everything is color coordinated. This is our final check. Is the sensor smack down in the center of the plastic ring? If the answer is yes, then that is the correct assembly of the RIN.